Google Car. The company Waymo, owned by Google, has long been developing unmanned driving technologies, but not limiting itself to software creation. Its experts create and patent several innovations that may be useful in the future. One of their creations is this futuristic car, which, instead of a steering wheel and a dashboard, only has a few buttons on a special panel. These include buttons to open windows, close doors, adjust lighting, and activate seat heating. In addition, the car can choose the best route and predict situations on the road. Hexawheel. This is a convertible vehicle with a folding roof and side elements that can be removed if necessary. German inventor Christian Wagner created the first Hexawheel several years ago. In its current design, the Hexawheel weighs 100 pounds. The creators plan to produce another version made of carbon fiber, which will be a little lighter. In addition to the hinged roof and sides, the car is equipped with a complete lighting system and a 200-litre rear cargo compartment. If you wish, you can install an additional child seat. An optimal 250-watt motor powered by a lithium battery is located on the front wheel, and the maximum distance you can travel without stopping is 60 miles. Polaris SLINGSHOT. This unique tricycle is designed to be ridden on public roads and special racetracks. The SLINGSHOT is registered as an ordinary motorcycle, but this is the only thing these vehicles have in common. The Polaris SLINGSHOT has all the advantages of an automobile: a regular steering wheel with an electric amplifier, waterproof adjustable anatomical seats, safety bars, and 3-point seatbelts. SLINGSHOT is reliable on the road thanks to its stability system, ABS, traction control, and wide wheels. B-Roll. This is an ultra-compact, 100% electric car designed for short trips, with capacity for 2 people. The car is easy to drive and doesn't take up too much space on the road. The advantage of B-Roll is undoubtedly its size, which allows you to park your car in places where conventional cars cannot fit. Holden Hurricane. In 1969, the Holden Company showed a futuristic automobile with the vigorous name of Hurricane. The accommodation in the saloon happened just like in a spacecraft from a fantastic movie. Once the driver and the passenger were in their seats, the roof automatically closed and the seats reclined. This car was equipped with the most advanced technology of its time: automatic climate control, a rear-view camera, digital dashboard, self-adjusting radio, and even a primitive magnet-guided navigator similar to a compass. Today, this unique vehicle is not on sale, and classic models can be found in museums or restored car exhibitions. Cadillac Cyclone. This car was designed in 1959 to test new engineering ideas. The double Cadillac has a transparent plastic roof which fits snugly against the panoramic windscreen, so the driver has a 360-degree view. Among the advanced technical features, there's a radar which scans the surroundings and warns the driver about different objects in the road, showing a message on the electronic display. The front of the car hides a 325 horsepower engine. The instruments inside the car are located between the seats, and the exhaust is located near the front wheels. Fun V. According to its creators, this Japanese project, presented in 2011, should symbolize the pleasure of driving. Its name consists of two parts, Fun and V, meaning Vehicle Interactive Internet, or in other words, Internet on Wheels. It's worth noting that the idea of pleasure of the Japanese is quite peculiar. The main feature of the vehicle is the possibility to change the appearance of the car. Similar to how you change the wallpaper on the computer monitor, the vehicle is supposed to be fully tactile, and the lounge will have an assistant, a hologram of a young woman to assist the driver and passengers. BMW GINA. Here we have another project, this time from Germany. Like the previous car, this sports car can change its appearance, but without using sensors. The car's body is based on an aluminium frame, and instead of the usual metal panels, it uses spandex covered with polyurethane. The moving parts of the car stretch the material, creating the illusion of leather in the car. In addition, the material is semi-transparent, so the tail lights are visible only when the driver presses the brake. The headlights are even more interesting. They open like human eyes. Van. This huge 31-foot-long mobile trailer, more than 10 feet tall, hides a kitchen, a bathroom, and everything you need for a comfortable stay. In addition to the interior, its technical equipment is also impressive. The truck has Kevlar-covered tires, unmanned aerial reconnaissance vehicles, and 7 observation platforms. Van is also equipped with an advanced communication system, which functions as a mobile command center, capable of interacting even with aircraft. Mercedes-Benz Hexawheel. This all-terrain vehicle concept equipped with 6 wheels is ideal for traveling off-road with the most possible comfort. The car can carry up to 3 people in the front and rear cabin. Hexawheel was designed by Iranian engineers and has a hinged ligament, which allows it to move on almost any terrain. According to the designer, he was inspired by ants, whose segmented body gives them more flexibility and allows them to overcome obstacles more easily. The total length of the vehicle is 16 feet, with 2 similar wheelbases and a ground clearance of 1.5 feet. The weight of the machine is distributed evenly over all 3 axles, which together with the flexibility of the support structure, allow the car to overcome steep and long slopes.
If you haven't checked Jelly Gummy Bear's channel yet, you should do it right away. You'll certainly like all the funny experiments with the jelly bear, cool life hacks, awesome homemade stuff, and exciting adventures that are waiting for you on the channel.
Ghoul RC T47. This miniature drone has good flight quality and is capable of recording video. The The product also includes interchangeable propellers, a screwdriver, the instruction manual, and a USB charger. When bent, the Ghoul RCT-47 is no bigger than a smartphone. To put it in working position, you just have to push out the 4 lateral legs on which the propellers are located. The user can control the drone using the control panel or a smartphone. Simply press a button to take off and land. To change the direction, you must tilt the remote control in the desired direction and use the joystick to gain altitude and turn. Unlike many other models which require a complete training course to control them, anyone can literally control the Ghoul RCT-47 in 5 minutes. The price of this drone is only $50. Moki. This new compact keyboard allows you to control the cursor on the screen with the help of an invisible touch panel. Moki uses a series of infrared optical sensors to track hand and finger movements. This creates an invisible touchpad on the keyboard surface. Users can perform operations using the gestures we normally use to scroll or zoom, among others. Activate the touchpad by pressing and holding a special button under the spacebar. Bluetooth LE wireless communication is used to connect the device to any computer, smartphone, or tablet. The built-in battery charge can run for up to 3 months, working up to 4 hours a day, and the cost of the device is $74. Wiggle Kit. This exceptional device allows you to change your voice in real time using different gestures. It has the size of a small remote control, and you can control 3 different audio effects in the following ways: by moving your hands up and down, to the right and left, or by turning your wrist. The control is just that. And, in fact, the most important part of the Wiggle Kit is its software. For beginners as well as experienced musicians, the developers offer a mobile application, which does not require a professional microphone as it uses the one on the mobile device. Wiggle synchronizes with your phone via Bluetooth. The capacity of the built-in battery is enough for 3 hours of continuous operation. The device includes a mini USB cable, a remote control, and an accessory for the microphone. You can buy Wiggle Kit for $140. CarWink. CarWink proposes using simple communication methods to meet the needs of drivers while driving. Using speech recognition, the device can transmit different emotions. Do you want to report an accident or thank the driver who let you pass? CarWink will help you. To activate the device, you must program it in advance and attach it to the rear window of the car. After that, the device will transform some phrases into emotions and will show them to other drivers. You can buy this intelligent highway assistant for $79. IQ Insight. This unique device professionally determines visual acuity at home in just a few minutes. To get started, you must install the mobile application My IQ VA. The gadget itself connects to the smartphone via Bluetooth. After that, the application sets certain settings, and IQ Insight is ready to work. The mobile application stores all analysis results, making it possible to track the dynamics of change in vision. You can buy the device for $79. MeeGo. This is a 3D printer with a minimalist design. MeeGo is available in two versions, which differ in the size of the construction area. The design allows you to quickly replace the extrusion device with a laser engraver. The developers of this printer did not focus too much on technical features, paying more attention to the ease of use of the device. This includes automatic calibration and the ability to remotely monitor and manage the device using a mobile application. Pre-order this gadget for $219. Vive Fit. Today, hundreds of different wireless headset models can be found on the market, but not all manufacturers are able to create truly comfortable headphones for long-term use. That is why the Japanese startup ViStyle has developed a perfect headset for everyone. Its main feature is its body, made of soft silicone which takes the shape of the ear canal and adapts to the structure of the user's ears. According to the manufacturer, the battery life of Vive Fit headphones is 4.5 hours. The special carrying case allows you to transport and carry the headphones with you, while providing more than 33 hours of work. You can buy Vive Fit for $89. GoSun Go. This is a completely autonomous stove for frying, boiling and cooking food, as well as boiling water for tea or coffee without using fire or gas. GoSun Go consists of a transparent glass cylinder with a vacuum insulation and a food tray. Using steel reflectors, the device absorbs sun rays, heating the contents to 260 degrees Celsius in just a few minutes. The fragile glass used by GoSun Go is protected by a rigid trunk, which functions as a casing and support. The furnace is put into operation with just a couple of movements. It has a volume up to 420 milliliters, enough for a personal portion. Thanks to the absorption of a wide range of sunlight, you can use the GoSun Go even in cloudy environments. The oven is on sale for $85. Easy Bike. This device lets you turn your conventional bike into a great electric bike. The battery, motor and controller set with all the necessary accessories will cost you only $159. The installation does not require any special tools and will just take a few minutes. The bike equipped with Easy Bike can reach 15 to 20 miles per hour and travel approximately 30 miles on one charge. The battery will be charged in 2 or 3 hours. The easily removable battery module allows you to recharge your bike even at work, and you can buy it for $159. The future of homes. This exceptional, fully intelligent house model is under development, and it's for now only a concept. According to the manufacturer's idea, the house of the future is a practically isolated virtual castle, which can be activated only by the owners of the house. Several games and entertainment systems in the house will make use of virtual reality too. As this model is in the design stage, it was not possible to determine the price or the planned date for the presentation of the project.